Begin with the activity? Yes? Can we reorganize ourselves in a circle, please? You'll have to. Feel free. It's all coming up.
If you're happy and you know, and you really want to show. If you're happy and you know, tap your shoulders.
Thank you. Yourself, adding an adjective to your name. And that adjective should start with the first letter of your name. Okay, I'll start with mine. I'm Sunita, so I call myself Smart Sunita. Smartness, I will tell the details of the smart later on. Okay, so I'm Smart Sunita, ma'am.
I'm active and
Adjective with B. B. Correct. Somebody suggested. Bold. Okay.
yes. The starting letter of your name. What is your name? Manjula. Yum. Yum with the yum beginning with the yum. What is the adjective? Marvelous Manjula. Yes. Good.
Helping.
Marvelous Manjula.
I am Amla. Amul baby Amla.
No, that can't be an adjective. Amul baby can't be an adjective.
Active.
Attractive, make it Amula. Attractive, Amula.
Okay. No, I am not able to hear. I think nobody is able to hear. Listening. Please listen.
Very cute.
Very is an adverb. Very is an adverb. Victorious.
Victorious.
I am Veena. Oh, V again. Okay, fine. Vibrant Veena.
New Meenakshi.
Then you must not talk and
I am Jyoti. Jolly Jyoti.
Jolly.
Flowers.
P. Powerful Pushpalata. Good.
Beauty Bharati.
Beauty Bharati.
Bharati.
Beautiful Bharati. Yes.
My name is Shilpa. Strong Shilpa. I'm Sonia. I'm always shining. Shine. I'm Kaushalya. Kindness Kaushalya.
Oh, good.
I'm Shashi. Smile Shashi.
Sharda. Silent.
Pallavi. Peaceful. Mindful Monisha.
Mindful Monisha.
Shashikala, spicy Shashikala.
Nice.
I'm Mansa, memorable Mansa.
I'm Netra, natural name.
ಹಲೋ
Love Lakshmi.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸಂಘದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಪ್ರದೀಪ್ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ
Love. Okay. I am Jeshta. Joyful Jeshta.
Myself Rekha, rocking Rekha.
I was wanting this particular name.
Myself also Rakshit. Rocking star Rakshit. No, not copying, man. Actually, I supposed to tell that.
Simple Shobha.
ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಸವರಾಜ್ ಅಂತ.
Basaraj. So,
ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಬಸವರಾಜ್.
thank you.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Brave. Okay, so you all are comfortable with their adjectives? Yes. Okay, one more activities. Okay. So we'll start 4 names or 5 names of the flowers. Mogra.
Gulmohar.
Lily.
Sunflower. Rose.
Rose. We start again. Mogra.
Lily.
No, second.
Gulmohar. Lily. Rose.
Sunflower.
Rose.
Start again. No. Mogra.
Sunflower.
No, what was yours?
Gulmohar is finished. Lily. Sunflower. Rose. Mogra. Gulmohar.
Mogra.
Gulmohar. Lily. Sunflower. Rose. Mogra. Gulmohar. Lily. Sunflower. Rose. Mogra. Gulmohar. Lily.
Sunflower, rose, lily.
Mogra. Gulmohar. Lily.
Were you able to remember the names? Yes. Initially we were not able to remember, right? As the time went, then they become perfect with the names. Shall we play a game? All the roses change your place. Which remain? Lily. All the lilies change your place. Find your partner. Please stay with me in one more group. Gulmohar one group, Rose one group. Emotions, which is very much imbalanced. All our emotions are imbalanced, right? So what do you expect the pre-KG child when he comes to the class? How do you expect the child to be? We expect them to be smiling, but they will not be smiling. They are not conditioned like that way, right? They'll be crying and they'll be having these emotions when they come from their home. They don't want to come away from the home and they don't want to leave their parents, they don't want to leave their mother, right? So what do we do? As soon as they come, okay, I want Rose team. Please make a line. Okay. Right? Next. One by one. Next. No, don't touch the same thing. What is that? Handshake. Hi. How are you? Fine. Next. Wow. How is your day? Amazing. Good. Next. Repeat again. Oh, that was high five.
Here it was high five, ma'am.
It was high five. Okay, come back again. It was high five. Right? Okay. Next. Shaken. How are you? Nice? Good. Next. Oh no, you should not repeat. Already it is repeated.
Dance. Let's dance. Second is not over.
You have to touch that. No, now you have to dance. Really? Yes. Right. So this is what you have to do, all of you friends. What you have to do is, as soon as the child comes to the class, for the entire class you should have this session. So this is very important. You have to maintain balance in emotions. They are emotionally imbalanced, right? So what you have to do is keep them under control, right? Fine? Do you agree with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you agree with this? So this kind of small activities we can have in our own daily routine classrooms. All right? Fine. Let's proceed with our PowerPoint presentation. Few points are there which I would want you to have a look. That is playway method we are having. How are you feeling today? How are you feeling today? Are you okay? Are you happy? Are you sad? Are you angry? Okay, all these emotions you have to tap it. So you have to make it play as a practice. Everyone plays, right? Even we play, right? So it's just play as a practice. Play is a concept that fills our mind with contradictions when we try to think deeply about it. It's serious yet not serious. Yet it underlines many greatest achievements of ma'am mentioned. I was an outstanding student. Right, ma'am?
Yes.
Those emotions were hurt their emotions. What does the play do? Play takes place in a fantasy world. They have an imaginative world. Yet it is about the real world and helps the children to cope up with that. Do you all of you agree with this? Okay, I want one clarification. Do you want me to continue in Kannada as well? ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆದರೆ when you do playway method it should be age mixed okay ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಅವರಿಗೆ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಇದು ಹೀಗೇನೆ ಚೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಚೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಶಬ್ದ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆದರೆ ನಾವು ಶಬ್ದ ಬಳಸಬಾರ್ದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಹೀಗೇನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಸಹಜ ದೆನ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಹೇಗೆ ಆಟ ಆಡಬೇಕು ಹೌ ಶುಡ್ ದೇ ಪ್ಲೇ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆಟ ಆಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರು ಹೇಗೆ ಆಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಕಲಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅದು ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಚೋಸನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಆಟ ನೀವು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಆಡ್ತೀರಾ ವಿಚ್ ಡು ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕು ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಓಕೆ ಗಿವ್ ದಮ್ ದ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಚೂಸ್ ದ ಕಲರ್ಫುಲ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋಟಿವೇಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಎನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಆಟ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದೇ ಫೀಲ್ okay, I can play this game confidently, then the confidence level comes up, isn't it? There is 3 types of confidence: self-confidence, confidence, overconfidence. Alva? Confidence iddid ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು, self-confidence iddid ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು, overconfidence ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, it is damaging. He is guided by mental rules. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡೂ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಓಕೆ ನೀವೇ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನೇನು ಯಾರು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಓಕೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನೇಷನ್ ಓಕೆ ಪ್ಲೇ ವೇ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಸಿ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಅವ್ರು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಛೋಟಾ ಭೀಮ್ ಡೋರೋಮಾನ್ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಸಿ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಸಿ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಫೈನ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಥರ ನಾವು ಆಟ ಆಡಿಸ್ಬೋದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ Imagination is done, then learning of social development, I give an example. So how social behavioral development takes place. They start helping each other knowingly, unknowingly. Some become jealous. I didn't get the chance. All the time ma'am is giving her only chance. But we see that we should not give the same students the responsibility. Again and again we can change it. Now what does play do to the child? What is the power of play? What does the play do to the child? Setting of the intentionally play. You have to plan it. Okay, intentionally you have to plan it. This should be the game today of the day. This is the number game. This is a language game. And you should see that there is a time gap given, like time schedule. At this time it should be winded up, isn't it? Otherwise what happens? It becomes boring. Then when they are playing the games, supervision by the adult is needed. Always an adult, okay, should be. But then what happens? They become more bossy and they may hurt others. That's why supervision of the adult is needed. Assessment is needed in the form of observation. Continuous observation. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವತ್ತು ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೋ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಒಂದು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇಟ್ಕೊಡಿ. ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಬಲ್ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಆ ಮಗು ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಮಗು ಯಾಕೆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ, ಅಥವಾ ಇವತ್ತೇ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗಿದೆಯಾ, ಯಾಕೆ? ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ ಅಸೆಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ನೇ ಅಸೆಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಗು, ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ. ಇರಾಡಿಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಿಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್. That emotional quotient activity, no? This itself is building of relations. ಎತ್ತಲೇಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನೀನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಆವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಮಗುದು. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ದ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದ child. How is the child able to do it? Yes, ma'am. It's by 5-6 years the development is complete. Later on it's just piling up of knowledge. So what happens when the child plays? When the child plays, secretion of hormone release ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So when we do exercise, happy ಆಗಿ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ today, right? Appreciate ಮಾಡಿ ಮಗು. The more you smile, the more the children are going to love you. What ಮೇಲೆ there should be smile on your face always. Smile in your eyes too. Then what happens? Dopamine hormones are released. Feels very happy. Then serotonin is related when self-appreciation happens. I was able to do this. Achievement, no? Someday irbodu. One button ಸೂಜಿ ದಾರ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಬೋದು.